Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we made it to day number 169 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank. We're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income or a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. So if you guys, like I said, you don't know what I'm talking about, you have no idea where I'm coming from, go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get an idea on where we started and where we are right now. All right. Now, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Today is day number 169 of this challenge. Now, excuse my voice, guys. I have just some allergies going on today, so my voice may not be as clear as my other videos. So, if you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So, every day you come into this back office, you're going to either see 100 or 200 leads. Now, what separates the two is going to be how many accounts that you have for My Legion Secret. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret and why I love them so much is that they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay, so you can simply sign up today, and then after you sign up, you're going to use your own affiliate link, and you're going to sign up under your own affiliate link, and you're going to stack your accounts on top of each other. Okay, that's how you get multiple accounts. Okay. And just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I can tell you, I totally love the service. I promoted tons of offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. And I have gotten paid from My Legion Secret. Okay. So I just wanted to throw that out there at you. You can get started today. And I did leave a link below this video if you guys want to get started. All right. So just a little bit about the My Legion Secret program. This is the back office. This is what it's going to look like. You're going to have all these tabs coming across here. The only thing different between your account and my account is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. That's the only difference. Everything else is going to be the same. All right. So just wanted to show you guys just around the My Legion Secret platform. This is business opportunity traffic, guys. Okay, so these people care about making money online. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and we find related offers that are related to making money. Okay, and we send those out to this traffic. We get subscribers, we get people engaged, and we get them signing up for our whatever our offer is. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys that there's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay. Number one is to promote My Legion Secret itself. Okay. You can literally come in here, create an email or use the pre-written emails on the affiliates tab to promote the My Legion Secret program. And then you can promote your affiliate link and you can make money with just My Legion Secret if you just wanted to promote this by itself. Okay. That's one popular way. The other popular way is by using an affiliate network such as ClickBank. They got Warrior Plus, they got JV Zoo, Max Bounty, Blue Media Ventures. Okay, those are the actual networks that I am a part of right now that I have seen results with. Okay, that I've earned money from. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys. I wanted to tell you about what you could do to make money with this system. All right. So if you guys want to just to promote the My Legion Secret, you can simply go over here to the affiliate tabs, click on the promo tools, and you can use these free email swipes to go ahead and get started. Okay. So you can literally come in here and just grab one of these emails, click on where it says import the email. What it's going to do is going to take you into the mailing system. And then from the mailing system is where you're going to send out all of your emails. Okay. So you would just simply click on all of your emails that you have right here. And what it's going to do is going to transfer them over here. Okay. It's going to transfer them over to the right. And then that way you can start sending out emails. Okay. And it already has a subject line here for you. And then it also has a body of text. All you got to do is come down here and click on perfect timing. Scroll down here, make sure your affiliate link is in there. Your affiliate link is in there and ready to go. Okay. And as you can see right here, I've already sent out my email already today. Now you can literally come in here every single day and send out emails. Okay, every 24 hours, My Legion Secret would allow you to come in and send out an email, which is pretty cool. So, a little bit about myself with the program. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out all 8 of my accounts, and then I'm off doing other things. Okay. So, me, I like sending my emails at night. Okay. Because it works best for me and my schedule. I did used to send them early in the morning when I woke up. But, I started to learn that my schedule is what works best for me is at night. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out those emails, and they're out, and I don't have to mess around with this thing till the next day at night. Okay, which is really cool. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Also, there's going to be 3 ways that you're going to send out emails in this system. Okay, number one is creating an email from scratch. Okay, you can literally create an email, find the offer that you want to promote, and then create an email based on that offer, and then insert that offer into the email, and then click send, and then that email will go out to this traffic. You're going to get clicks, you're going to get leads, and then you'll get sales. Okay, just eventually. Okay. Now, I do want to say something real quick, guys. Like, this is not some get rich quick scheme. This is not something that you're going to be able to come in and just send out emails and then get thousands of dollars next week. Okay. It just doesn't work that way. You literally have to come in here and put in the work to do that. All right. Now, the second way to send out an email is going to be using an email AI service or a chat GPT, some kind of AI service where you can create, basically, you can tell this system what kind of email you want. It'll create an email for you. And then also you can insert your affiliate link in that email. And then you can get, sales and clicks and traffic from that as well. Okay. The third way to send out an email on the My Legion Secret is by using the pre-written email swipes that are from the vendor of whatever network that you're promoting. Okay. For the sake of this video, we're promoting ClickBank offers. There's about 4 different ClickBank offers in the e-business, e-marketing section that you can use. They all have pre-written emails, about 20 of them. You can literally grab those emails, copy and paste them over to the system, and those convert like crazy. Okay, guys, I just wanted to tell you that. So if you don't know what ClickBank is, go to clickbank.com. I don't have any links to share with you or sell you on. Just go to clickbank.com, guys. It's free to get started. You can literally go there, go to the e-business, e-marketing section, use some of those offers, use the email swipes, okay, and send them to the traffic, okay? And that's what I would recommend a newbie, somebody that's just getting on. Start with those free email swipes, guys, and then you can kind of advance and get into some AI stuff after you send those emails out first, all right? So that those are going to be the 3 ways that you send out an email in the system. I can show you just an email that you will get from the free email swipes. They kind of look like this. Okay, you got a subject line right here. Also, you got the body of text right here. Okay, it shows you about the job opportunity, and then also we have a clickable link right here. All our prospect has to do is click on this link. It's going to take them to our affiliate page. Our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. It's our job as affiliate marketers is to get our prospect to that offer. Okay. And then once they get to that offer, our offer is going to do all the selling for us. All right. So I just wanted to put that out there, guys. That's how you send out an email in the mailing system. Okay, whether you promoting My Legion Secret, you can go to the affiliate tabs, get those pre-written emails, or you can, like I said, go to ClickBank and you can get some of the pre-written email swipes, and you can copy and paste those over. And there's about 20 of them. Okay, so you can start there. Okay, that's what I would recommend for you. All right. Now that's how you do it, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. I did send out some emails last night. If you guys watched the video from last night, okay, we sent out an email last night. Let me go ahead and log into the system. I do have multiple accounts here, guys. So I do have one account that I'm using just for this program. Okay, so let's go ahead and go here. Let's go ahead and just exit out of that. What I like to do is do the last 30 days. so you guys can see the algorithm and see kind of where we are for the last 30 days. Okay. So let's go ahead and go down here, guys. Right here, as you can see, these are the sales from the past 30 days. Okay. We have been earning consistent income with the mailing system. Okay. As you can see, we've been getting sales back to back right here. We did miss a couple days, but then we came back and got another 4 sales in a row. Okay. We missed 3 days, but then after the 3 days, we came back and got a sale. We missed a day, and then we came back and got 4 sales in a row. One sale we missed, okay, right here. And then we got another 4 sales in a row, okay. We missed 2 days, but then we got sales back to back, missed a day and got sales back to back. And then we missed a day today, okay. So this is what it looks like, guys. This is what it would look like for you if you were to get started. We are in month number 5 still of this Mileage and Secret Challenge. So I just did want to tell you guys where we are and what to expect from the mailing system. Okay. So this is basically extra income. If you know somebody that's looking for extra income, someone who maybe, needs help with putting food on the table, gas in the car for the week, you got light bills, electric bills, car payments, mortgages, rents, whatever. Okay. This is the extra income that you can use to help pay for those extra bills that you need. Okay. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank also is why I love them so much is that they do pay every Friday. Okay. Every week. Okay. So every week you will see some money coming in your account. Okay. They can either mail it out to you. If you want mail, they'll send you a paper check. Or if you got direct deposit or some kind of bank account, they will deposit it into your bank account. Okay. Me, I've been with ClickBank over a century. Okay. So I can tell you, I've been making money with ClickBank for a very long time. Okay. And now with this method, guys, I'm earning income with ClickBank and they send me a paycheck every Friday. Me, I like having mine's direct deposit. So it goes right into my bank account like clockwork every single Friday. Okay. I haven't missed a Friday in a long time. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, let you know that this stuff does work. The thing about this traffic, guys, let's go back to it. These are business opportunity offers. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to find the right business opportunity offer to send to this list. Okay. These people want to learn how to make money. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and we find the best offer. We find the affiliate link. Okay. That way we get credit for the email and we send it to this traffic. Okay. So that's very, very, very important that you have the right offer, okay, and then you create the right email or have the right email swipe to send over to this traffic, okay. So I did want to tell you guys that real quick, okay. Now, if you guys want to get started, guys, I did leave a link below this video. So if you come down here, click on the More tab. If you need to see that, click on the MLGS True Freedom. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to take you over to the My Legion Secret System, and then you're going to scroll down. And as you can see, I wanted you guys to look at some of these testimonials. Okay, these people are making money with the system. Okay, I'm not the only one making money with this. Okay, there's other people making money, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Okay. I'm not the only one earning cash with this system. Okay. Now, once you get started, you want to click on Join MLGS Now. Click here. All you got to do is pay your one-time charge of $60. Okay. That's going to be the setup fee and then also your first month. Okay. So after that first month, it's just going to be $30 a month to keep the service, guys. It's just a no-brainer. I don't even have to get into this $30 a month. Okay. Every single month, you're going to have thousands of people coming in. Those people are going to stay with you. Okay. As long as you stay with the Mileage and Secret System, those emails are going to stay with you. Okay. Right now, I have 8 different accounts. About 5 of them have about, over 200,000 subscribers in those emails, guys. Okay. It's just a ridiculous amount of people that I have access to every single day. I can reach out, send out an email to those prospects, and I can promote whatever offer that I want that's related to making money online. All right. So I just wanted to share you that with you. Go ahead and get started, guys. Also, subscribe to this channel if you're new to this channel, or if you've been watching these videos. Subscribe to this channel. Also, hit the like button. Okay, it helps the algorithm. It helps get this video out to other people that are looking to make money online. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Go ahead and get started there. I wanted to show you how easy it is to send out an email. You got 3 ways to do it, and then also you got 2 ways that you can make money with the My Lead Gen Secret System. But guys, just wanted to show you this is the income that you can be making starting out, guys. Sometimes it takes people a few days to see a sale, a week, a few weeks, maybe even a month. Okay. Things didn't take off for me till about month 4 and 5. And then once I start consistently sending out emails, that things start taking off. Okay. And then now I'm just 3 years later, I'm coming in here showing other people how to do it. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys how this works, what that looks like. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place, and we'll go over the results for tonight's emails. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.